Sometimes when we're editing projects with multiple clips, our project files can get completely full of clips that we're not using. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can remove unused clips from Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Now here I have my demo project loaded into Premiere Pro. Here I have my media and here I have my timeline. Now as you can see, I have more clips here than I do in my timeline, meaning I haven't used them all. What I want to go ahead and do is delete any unused clips and free up the space within my project. You can do this by going up to Edit and going down to Remove Unused. By clicking this, Premiere is going to work some magic and delete the clips that you've not used in your project. Now this feature is a godsend when it comes to working on higher scale projects with hundreds of clips. It can save you a lot of time, space, and it stops your project files being full of clips that you're not going to use. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.